Hey, what's up, guys? Right now, all we're going to do, this is a power inverter. Well, it's not really an inverter. It's a DC to DC converter. Okay, is what it is. Basically, it just takes crazy harsh power and smooths it out for the charging of my circuits. Okay, it's basically all it's doing. And you're gonna have to excuse me. Tons of people will not quit messaging just over and over about random ass bullshit. You know what I'm saying? So just overlook me. Just dealing with all that. And so right now, what we're gonna do is we're going to change. Now I've robbed this from a old computer tower. Okay. And what it is, I snipped some of the cords. I snipped the wrong one right here. See, that's a ground cord actually. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this from right here and replace it. Okay, so let me show you how we do that. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna flux it. And see, I don't know where the heck. Wow, that's trippy. Let's just leave that like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pick some out of here. That seems to be the easiest thing to do. So, right here on my flux, let's see, where it is, right there, okay. Now, it's a little too much, yes, but it's okay. So, take this out, we'll add a little bit. Idea, you want to kind of get it. Let me see if I can get this out of the way here. It's always something, boys, I tell you. Okay, so that's out of the way. Now, this one right here. Okay. Starting to pull out. I wasn't ready for it. Hold on. Let's see. I should have this clamped down. That's kind of a bitch that I don't. But okay, now watch. One more time and. That's what you get when you're not prepared. Burnt. Okay, so hold on. See, people stealing my stuff and all this stuff. I ain't got nothing, so I've got this daggone, my helping hands was stolen. Cause all I've got are people trying to steal from me or beat me out of something. It's just ridiculousness. So this is what I've got in its place. I know it's ridiculous, but it'll work. So, now let's see. Now, so let me see if I can revert this fucking view here. Okay, sort of, almost. Okay. There. Now, let's see what we got now. That'll work. Now, so take a little more flux and put it right there. See, I had it perfectly at first, but it wasn't secure, so what are you gonna do? You know what I mean? Okay, so boom. Got it. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, that's junk. Okay, get that out of there. Okay, so now we're gonna clean this up. I don't have no wick. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna show y'all a hack really quickly. All wick is braided copper, okay? So when you switch it around here a little bit, you wanna get it where you can at least see what you're doing here. Let's see. Okay, so watch this when I heat this up. That's pretty cool. It's a good little hack to remember for you poor solderers out there, you know. So yeah. Doesn't work as good, but there we go. See, boom. Clear now. So let's take a new ground wire, which is what we're going to use. Doesn't have to be, you know, crazy or nothing, but you want to make sure to get a decent one on there. So let's see. This will be fine. I got to cut this out anyway. So right here. There's that. Now I'm gonna take a piece, and you know I'll just kindly flag it ground. Boom. Take a piece off there. Kindly clean the tip of this. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Got it. Okay. Now let's tin our. Just a little bit, and we're going to stick it through. Not quite enough on it. Hold on. Let's see. So let's kind of bend it over a little bit there. Now watch this. Boom. Got it. Sometimes I like to go over just a smidge more. I don't like to put a whole lot more or anything. I just like to cover up that little hole right there. Boom. Got it. Okay, so now our ground wire is back on. Good. Now, let's switch this thing around and so you can kind of get a view of it here. See? Perfect. Now I'm going to snip that off, by the way. I'll snip that all the way off. And